angmohcardealer over here, and this sexy JDM over here is Nissan Skyline R32 GTS. And the condition of this car is absolutely fantastic. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. Wow, what a beautiful car. Comes with the fresh paintwork, super mega shiny. Comes with GTR body kit, very beautiful. Also comes with conic sport rims, very fitting. Just look at the side profile of this car. What a beauty. This was a poster car of many guys. And behind, so unmistakable, Skyline with its signature tail lights. Simply wow. Also, this unit comes with LTA approved HKS exhaust. Really brings out a lot of emotion driving this car, guys. And now that we've seen how amazing it is on the outside, let's go in. All right, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Guys, do you feel like you've taken time machine with me? I mean, look at the condition of the interior, absolutely beautiful. We have 3-spoke steering wheel, Alcantara with leather, got GTR over here, very nice to hold. We have Nismo speedometer cluster, so nice, so beautiful. Your headlight switches are here. This is your window wipers. This is your hazard light. How cool is that? We have all the meters. This is a proper JDM. Your audio is here. This is your gear selector. And this is handbrake that you can pull. Nice, traditional and reliable. And just look at these Recaros, guys. So fresh, so nice, so sexy. Also, this car comes with a sunroof and it's working perfectly. Have another look. Alright guys, so this car is registered under Classic Vehicle Scheme. On COE we still have 9 years and 2 months left. A lot of time for you to enjoy. And I know some people might say, oh, this is not the real GTR, or this is not manual, this auto. Well, firstly, if you have automatic license, this is perfect for you. Secondly, this car brings so much emotion regardless of all that. And thirdly, this is a lot, and I repeat, a lot cheaper than R32 GTR. One and only unit on the market, viewing available daily in our showroom, and you'll know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.